Hello everyone, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So finally from BEL there is recruitment for the position of engineer trainee, which is the good opportunity for all the engineers. Salary is approximately 12 lakh per annum. This is CTC. Total vacancies are 150 and if you complete your BE Tech in chemical, mechanical, electrical, civil, metallurgy, triple E, that is electrical electronics, computer science, information technology, instrumentation and control and production engineering, then you are eligible for the recruitment. Now let's start our main video. So as always, what we see important points. So first important point is there is no percentage criteria. Just you should have your BE Tech in your hand. That's it. Okay, there is no aggregate criteria. Process will be online test plus interview. So the weightage for online test is 75% and for interview it will be 25%. Okay, and after that they will conduct the medical test. All the medical document is there. Okay, so just go through the medical document. It is very important and just make sure that you are satisfying all the conditions given by them. And then finally they will select you for the position of engineer trainee. Posting will be anywhere in India and exam centers you will get enough all over India, so no need to worry for that. And after selection, there will be training of 1 year. Age limit cutoff date is 1st September 2022. Age limit is 27 for general EWS. Okay. Now 29 years is for those candidates who complete their MTech or MBA. Okay. So if you have MTech and MBA, then your age limit will be 29 and accordingly categorized benefit also you will get. Okay, so for OBC is 31 and for MTech MBA guys it is 33, SST 33, PWD 38 general, OBC 49, SST 43. Important days, so form will start tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow I will upload the form filling video. It is 13 September and after watching that form filling video, fill the form. Okay, and if you have any query in form filling, definitely you should comment down below. It will end on 4th of October 2022 and the main important thing is your exam is tentatively scheduled on 31st of October 2022 or 1st or 2nd November. Okay, this is tentative date but definitely we will consider it as a final date, and in the strategy video I will discuss with you guys that by considering this date how we can prepare. Fees will be 800 rupees for general OBC EWS and SST 300 plus GST, PWD 300 plus GST. Okay, now we will see the eligibility criteria. So for mechanical post, if you complete your BE Tech in industrial production, then industrial mechanical production tool, okay, mechatronics and power electronics thermal engineering, then you are eligible for this recruitment. For electrical, if you complete your BE Tech in triple E, then electrical into INC, high voltage engineering, electric machine and whatever, okay, all the things are mentioned here. So if you should fill the form of electrical post. For civil only civil, for chemical only chemical, for metallurgy, then metallurgy material, exact foundry and process. For IT post, both computer science and information technology students are eligible. And now the important thing is branch wise breakdown of vacancies. So for civil engineers, total vacancies are 40. Okay. For mechanical, total vacancies are 30. Then for computer science or IT, total vacancies are 20. Categories breakdown you can see here. Then for electrical, total 15 vacancies, chemical 10, metallurgy 5, and finance 20 and HR 10 vacancies are there. Okay. Now most important is your exam pattern. So for BEL basically we need to study 4 sections: English, general awareness, reasoning and technical. From English you will get 50 questions, from general awareness you will get 20 questions, from reasoning you will get 50 questions and from technical you will get 120 questions. So total questions will be 240 for 150 minutes. Yes, time limit is only 2.5 hour. Okay, and total marks are 250, 40, 240. Negative marking is there 1 by 4, that is 0.25. Paper language will be English and Hindi. There is no sectional cutoff and there is no sectional timing. Okay. So now the further discussion we will do in our strategy video, that how you can crack this exam and how you can get selection in BEL recruitment 2022. Tomorrow form filling video will be there. Okay. Till then, if you have any query, any doubt regarding the notification, regarding the recruitment, then you can comment down below. Don't forget to join Telegram channel, which is most important. And let's target the BEL recruitment and let's target the selection. All the best.